morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of The Ambitious Angler. I'm Brody. We're out here in Da Nang, Vietnam, guys, for fishing trip number 2. We're out here with the boys, Deo and Koa from last episode. They offered to take me squid fishing once again this morning, with a chance today of catching 1 or 2 of this region's apex predators, which is the GT, aka giant Trevally, or the famous Barracuda. So come along with me, guys. Determined to cast, destined to catch. Let's get going. Okay, universal setup for today, guys. Daiwa Legalis, 27-pound braid on here. Going down to a 12-pound leader, fluorocarbon. I got a little snap swivel on here. The only difference is instead of the squid jigs, we're aiming for GT and Barracuda today. We have these little Tetra jigs, 15 grams in weight. There's a few different ways to jig them. So we're going to give that a try today and kind of learn and test them out. Hopefully we can hook up with a couple apex predators. If not, we always got the squid fishing to go to. So let's give this a cast. So we're going with this little blue and silver one. This doesn't pan out for the next 10-15 minutes. Throwing on the squid jig. Okay, guys, we're going to throw on the squid jig that we caught our first one on that last episode. So we're going to take off this Tetra jig for now, since there's nothing around. Deo actually had a squid follower. So we will throw this on and see if we can hook up with another squiddy. Okay, guys, we are heading to a different spot. Deo thought he seen some little fish surfacing over here, so I'm gonna go over and give that Tetra jig a try by myself. We're kind of spread out more there now than what we were originally. We were a little bit more tighter, so we're gonna cover some more water here, see what happens. Oh shit, no. So update, not a great morning. My tripod broke on me. The phone took a little tumble on a rock and cracked my phone screen all to pieces. Luckily it still works. Anyways, we are just squid fishing now. We lost all of my jigs for GT and Barracuda. So squid fishing for the rest of the morning. Oh shit, got one. Huh. Got one, guys, just right up there. Look at that. Look at that. Woohoo! Yeah, there we go. Come on. That was unexpected. Oh shit. Oh shit. Well, that's great, guys. We got a SQUID on the board. Let's see if we can go get number 2. That's definitely a boost in morale after losing all my Tetra jigs, cracking my phone screen, breaking my tripod. It's just nice to win one.